So here we are inside the 2855. Lovely big aft cockpit and saloon, and place to eat and drink and gin and tonics in a sunny day. Solar panel controllers there. Plenty of room down below, as you know from 2855. Forward V berth. This converts to another double, and then you've got a good sized double aft under the cockpit. Decent galley with a twin burner stove, hot and cold water, and a small fridge, and a full-size sea toilet and heads with a shower. And if you'd like to know more, please take a look at boatshedyorkshire.com.